Woo! Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Today we are making Christmas cookies. I'm here with my nephew Talon, and then my mom and dad are making cookies with us. Mallory is at her dad's house right now, but she is gonna be here soon, and then she's gonna join us probably in decorating the cookies. Woo woo! Talon, you have to put on your apron. Your elf apron.
Oh yeah.
Yep, do 19.
19.
I think it's the 19th.
And 1. And 11. And 22.
And are you opening an early Christmas present?
It's a
Grinch! You really are. Oh, that looks healthy.
There you
For sugar.
Now we need 4 eggs. Pull it apart. Don't want the shell go in, and then you can do it. Keep going. You're fine. You got this.
Is this your first egg you've ever cracked?
Yeah.
No, it's not my first
Wow.
egg. Oh no, some salmon in.
Oh, no, I didn't.
Yeah.
Okay, Fallon, you want
I don't think
another
that's
one?
shell.
We need 4 total eggs. There you
Wow, nice.
go. All right. One more.
Oh, you're a mean one.
Look at that focus. I think everyone's gonna wanna know, how long have you been a chef for?
100 hours.
100 hours.
No, 100 years.
Years? Whoa! How old are you? Talon, how old are you?
5.
5 and you've been a chef for 100 years?
Yep.
That's cool! Woohoo!
Maybe I've been a chef since I was born.
Whenever you were born?
Yeah, around Shay's born.
Wow.
Okay, is it mixing up?
That's
Yep,
impressive.
it's all mixed up.
All right. That's really no big deal. because I just go in here.
Wow, perfect. You're crazy, dude. Good?
Woo, 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 woo,
Chef can get down.
Get down, get down, get down in the kitchen. Get down, get down, get down. Oh, shake it, shake it, shake it. Woo! Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Ready? You film me. Let's go. Ready? Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Break it down now. Break it down now.
Hi.
We're in the playroom. To cooking. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Nana, we're here to help. And another early Christmas present being opened. What is it? Okay, so excuse my makeup look. Talon and I just filmed a 5-year-old nephew does my makeup video. Yeah, it's kind of hard to ignore. But anyways, Talon has been opening so many early Christmas presents. I kid you not, every single time he is here, he opens at least 2. Okay, I got that makeup off of my face and I'm wearing my jammies now. We're here. Whoa, you're Elf on the shelf. And Mallory is home, and tell her what we're doing.
Has she touched it?
Nope, she's a good girl. She hasn't touched her elf. But we're making cookies. So the cookie dough has been chilling for about an hour, and now we are getting it out to roll it and cut it out into shapes. It's Mallory's little kit. That's so cute. We need to put on her apron. Put on your apron. Pretty.
Oh, dog, you make so much.
Look how cute that little elf is. My mom got them the cutest little sets with like tiny rollers and gingerbread little shapes to cut out some Christmas trees and stars, stockings. Look at that little baker.
You ready?
Right, we're getting our parchment paper laid out.
First.
Whoa.
Towel.
gonna take it like this and spread it out. Because what we're gonna do is we're gonna put our dough down.
Wow.
You ready now?
Mallory,
ready,
can you
Cal?
spread it out? Spread
Okay,
it
I can
out.
get more.
Spread the flour. Yeah, get as much as you want.
And Mallory, my Talon made the homemade dough while you were with Dada. More.
Ha, 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 ha. All right, ready?
Mine is
Add a
already
little bit of
huge.
flour.
Mine is huge.
Ready, Mal? Help me roll
Oh
it.
no, I need some.
Can you grab this? Ready?
Need more dough?
1,
Flour.
2, 3, roll! Good job.
I'm not sure.
Ready? Roll, roll, roll. Roll it.
Roll that.
Roll. Cookie dough. Oh, Mallory, no, no, no. You can't eat it. Honey, no, no, no. Oh. Don't want to get salmonella in here. Oh, Nana's good. She got the skill. Mallory, can you cut out a Christmas tree?
All right, 6 to 8
That's
minutes.
beautiful. Wow, talent's fast. We are struggling.
Wow.
Mallory, stop it! Ooh, can I borrow a star? First batch of cookies are done. Second is in the oven. And Mal is already chowing down. Is it good? All right. What do you think? Is it good? Wow, this is not going well. No.
I'm making.
All right, there's my attempt. There's my attempt at decorating a cookie. Did not go so well, but it's fine. Is this fun? Yeah.
You're gonna try to make it.
No, Mallory!
I'm sorry. Oh no.
But we can fix it.
All right, Mal. I think I'm gonna have to
Are you kidding me?
cut the sugar off. It's about bedtime. We do not need that. Hi, can I see your cookie? Wow. I think these two are on a bit of a sugar high. Talon, stop. Don't. Did you guys have too much sugar? Oh, all right, sugar crash. Now Talon is making a very special recipe.
And look, it's even in my toy pot.
Wow. So can you explain to us what you're making?
I'm making eggs and hot oranges.
Oh. All right, we now have it in the pan and we are scrambling this amazing recipe. Wow, so milk,
What else is it?
eggs, what's in it? What's in your recipe?
Milk, eggs, oranges,
Milk,
salt,
eggs.
pepper.
Does that look yummy?
Mm.
I don't know about
Are
that.
you ready?
Tasting it? How is
All
it?
right, I'll go get that. So you